Good morning, my name is Moima and I am working as a maths teacher in Vedavati Girls High School. So, in today's class children, we will take up the first chapter of 10th standard, that is Arithmetic Progression. So, in today's class, we shall study about the arithmetic progression. So, before moving on to the arithmetic progression, we should have the knowledge of sequence, children. So, what do you mean by sequence? So, sequence is a new concept for the 10th standard. In 8th standard also it is not there, and in 9th standard also it is not there. It is the new topic in which we are going to study about the arithmetic progression. So, in today's class, first we shall know the meaning of sequence. Okay, so sequence means, children, it is an ordered arrangement of numbers according to the given rule. Sequence means it's an ordered arrangement of the numbers according to the given rule. So, sequence is an ordered arrangement of numbers according to the given rule. Just listen carefully, children. Here you have to observe the two words carefully, that is arrangement and rule. Arrangement and rule. Okay, arrangement means we can arrange the numbers in two ways. It may be ascending order or it may be descending order. So, rule means here there will be some rule. According to that, we have to arrange the numbers. I will give some of the examples so that we can understand properly. See the first example, children. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It goes on like this. So, when you see the first one, what will come to your mind? Yes. So, it is a set of even numbers, isn't it? Usually, when we see the first example, we will tell that it is a set of even numbers. Just observe the first example, children. This is the first term and this is the next term. Just see what is the difference between those two terms. 2, 4. The difference is 2. In the same way, second 2, 6 to 8 is also 2, and 8 to 10 is also 2. So, the difference between the previous term and the next term is, children, 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2, 10 minus 8 is 2, isn't it? So, here numbers are arranged, rule I tell you, the numbers are arranged in a ascending order, children, and the rule is for each term 2 is added. For each term 2 is added. Arrangement is the numbers are arranged in the ascending order, and the rule is for each term 2 is added frequently. Got it? So, now we move on to the second one. See the second one, children. Okay, what is the difference between the first term and the second term? 6 minus 3. So, the difference is 3. In the same way, third and second, 3. Here also 3. Here also 3. Okay, see the example. In this examples, the numbers are arranged in an ascending order. And what is the rule? So, the first term 3 is added frequently. So, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, and 12 plus 3 is 15, isn't it? So, from these two examples, we can conclude that sequence means it is an ordered arrangement of the numbers according to the given AP. AP. And the second one is geometric progression. Geometric progression. And third one is harmonic progression. The short form it can be written as HP, and geometric progression can be written as GP. So this sequence has been classified into three types: arithmetic progression, geometric progression, and harmonic progression. So in previous syllabus, like 8 to 10 years back, children, so we were having the three concepts also, like arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression. But in the new syllabus, means from 3 to 4 years back, in our syllabus only one is added, children, that is arithmetic progression. So in today's class, we are going to study completely about the arithmetic progression. In new syllabus, there is no geometric progression and harmonic progression. So we are having only one, that is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, and it can be written in the short form as AP. So in today's class, we are going to study completely about the arithmetic progression. Means what is arithmetic progression, meaning of arithmetic progression, and what is the general form of an arithmetic progression, and the nth term of an arithmetic progression. And in arithmetic progression, first term will be denoted by which letter? All those things we are going to study in today's class, children. So now we study about the arithmetic progression. Okay, before that, once I'll revise about the sequence. Sequence is an ordered arrangement of the numbers according to the given rule. Okay, still now did you understand, children? Okay. Now we shall study about the arithmetic progression. So first we shall study the meaning of arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression means, children, it is a list of numbers. There will be numbers. It may be any number, natural number, whole number, whatever numbers, in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. So it is a list of numbers. Shall we take one example? 1, 3, 5, 7. Just see this carefully. It's a list of numbers, isn't it? In each term, 1, 3, 5, 7. See the first term, children? 1 is the first term, isn't it? So for 1, what we have to add to get 3? Yes, we have to add 2, children. 1, 2. If we add 1, 2 to 1, we get 3. So in the same way, for 3 also we have to add 2. And 5 also we have to add 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then what will be the next term? So just see, we have added 2 for each term. Then what will be the next term? Yes, the next term is 9. And the next term is 11. So here for each term we have added 2, isn't it? Okay. So the first term will be fixed, children. It will be fixed. So after the first term, for each term we should go on adding number. So we should add a fixed term to the preceding number. What do you mean by preceding number then? So children, just here 1, 2, 3. So this term is there, no? This is called as a succeeding number. We call it as succeeding term or succeeding number. This is called as preceding term. Previous term is called as a preceding term. Next term is called as a succeeding term. So we should add the fixed number to the previous term. Got it? So an arithmetic progression means it is a list of numbers in which we have to add a fixed term to get the next term. Understood? I hope you have got the meaning. Okay? I'll give you one more example. See the second example. Okay, which is the first term here? 4. Okay, what is the difference between the first term and the second term? For 4, what we have to add to get an 8? Yes, we have to add 4. So, in the same thing for next 4. Here also 4. Sorry, this is 16. Okay. So for 16, what we have to add? We have to add 20. So 4. So what is the fixed term here? The fixed term is 4. So we are going to add 4 for a first term. Then we are going to get the next terms. So here 4 is the fixed term. So from these examples, these two examples, we can conclude that children. So sequence is a, sorry, not sequence, an arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Preceding means previous number, succeeding means next number, children. So here first term will be fixed. For the first term, we are going to add the same number, means fixed number. Did you understand? Okay. Next is children. So now we got the meaning of arithmetic progression. Isn't it? Now we should move on to the two types of progression, that is finite arithmetic progression and infinite arithmetic progression. Finite arithmetic progression. So what do you mean by finite arithmetic progression? So finite, you have studied about the word finite, isn't it? What do you mean by finite? Yes, finite means if there are countable number of terms. If there are countable number of terms. If there are countable number of terms, then it is called as finite arithmetic progression. Listen carefully. If there are finite number of terms, then it is called as a finite arithmetic progression. And examples for this children: 1, 2, 3, 4. The last number is 10. See this example, children. First 1, 2, 3, 4 and 10. See the example here, last term is mentioned so that we can count the numbers. How many numbers are there here? 10 numbers are there, isn't it? It is easy to count. We take one more example. 2, 4, 6, 8, 16. 2, 4, 6 possible to count, then the progression, is called infinite arithmetic progression. So, if the terms are not possible to count, then the progression is called as an infinite progression. We take up some of the examples here. 1, 2, 3. See this example, children. This is a set of natural numbers. Whether the last term is mentioned here? No, last term is not mentioned here. It is an infinite, children. We can go on writing 1000, 10,000, lakh, crores. Just we can go on writing. One more will take. In the same way, 5, 10, 15, 20. So, just observe both the examples. In both the examples, last term is not mentioned, isn't it? So, means here the numbers are not possible to count. If it is not possible to count the numbers, then we call that progression as a children infinite arithmetic progression. Got it? So, finite means it is possible to count. Infinite means it is not possible to count. Okay, did you understand the meaning of finite and infinite, children? Okay, now we shall move on to the next topic. So far we have studied about the finite arithmetic progression and infinite arithmetic progression. Now we should study what is the meaning of general form of AP, nth term of an AP, common difference, and the first term. By which term we are going to denote the first term and the second term and all. Just see here and take an example. See the example, children. Here the first term. Which is the first term? 2. 2 is the first term, isn't it? So, in the arithmetic progression, the first term is denoted by, children, A1. So, we'll denote the first term by A1 and the second term by, children, A2, third by A3, A4. And the last term will denote by A-N. Just see carefully. So, it is an example for arithmetic progression, finite arithmetic progression. The first term is denoted by A1, A2, second term, third term is A3, fourth term is A4. It goes on like that, children. And the last term is denoted by A-N. Got it? So, first term, that is A1. We can take it as A1 or A also, children. So, the first term is here. 2 and the last term will denote by A again and the last term is 20. Last term is 20. Did you got it? We'll denote the first term by A and the last term by A again. Okay. Next we should see what do you mean by common difference, children. How to write the common difference. See the example. 5, 10, 15, 20, we take the last one as 15. So, see this example. So, here which is the first term? 5 is the first term. Second term is 10. So, we denote the first term by A. Here. So, A is equal to 5, children. And just see carefully. So, this is the fixed term, isn't it? What is the difference between first and the second term? A preceding term and the succeeding term is called as a common difference, and this common difference is denoted by children small letter d. Did you understand? Okay. The next is children the general form of an AP. The general form of an AP. Okay. What do you mean by general form of AP? How to write this one? Okay. So the general form of AP is children A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. It goes on children. A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the general form of an AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus n minus 1 into D. So you know that A means first term, D means common difference. Got it? For this I will give you one example. See, just we know that always the first term is always fixed. We take it as 1. So we take A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 2. So now they ask just write out the general form next 4 terms of an AP. So A is what children? 1. Here also A value is 1 plus D is 2. Third one 1 plus 2 into the value of D is children 2. Third one, sorry, fourth one 1 plus 2 into 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1, 2 2s are children 4. 1, 2 3s are 6. 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, listen. By using a general form of an AP, we can write the number of terms in the first 4 terms of AP or number of terms in the AP. So the general form of an AP is children A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and last term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Did you understand? Okay. So next we should take up the nth term of an AP. So the nth term of an AP is children an is equal to, the last term is an, nth term of AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the nth term of an AP. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So by using this we are going to solve many problems in the next lesson. Listen. So the general form of an AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and the last term is A plus n minus 1 into D. And the nth term of an AP is children A is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, did you understood? Okay children, so far we have studied about the sequence and also the meaning of arithmetic progression, and by this later we are going to denote the first term of an AP and how to find out the common difference, and also the nth term of an AP and also general form of an AP. So by using all these things children, now we are going to solve the exercise problems. Okay. So far we have learned about the general term and the general form of an arithmetic progression. Now we shall solve some of the problems. And difference. Common difference D. So here they are given only 2, 5, 8, 11. For this we have to write the first term and the common difference, children. Okay. So let's write on the AP, that is 2, 5, 8, 11. 2, 5, 8, 11. So usually we will denote the first term by which letter, children? Yes, we denote the first letter by A. So A is equal to 2. So the first term is 2. Now we have to find out the common difference, children. D is equal to, common difference is equal to, children, A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. So the first term is denoted by A1, second term by A2, third by A3, fourth by A4. So A2 is 5 minus A1 is 2. 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is, children, 3. The common difference is 3. Okay, here we have found the common difference for second term and the first term. If you want, we can cross check again, children, like D is equal to A3 minus A2. Third term is 8. And the second term is, children, 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. See, in both the cases, common difference is 3. You can check for next number also. 11 minus 8 is 3, isn't it? So, D is equal to A4 minus A3. Fourth term is, children, 11. Third term is 3. 11 minus 3, 8 is 3. So, the common difference is 3. Common difference is 3. So, we denote the first term by 2 and we got the common difference as 3. Did you understood? Okay, we will take one more example, children. We have to find out the first term and the common difference. Okay, as we know, the first term is denoted by A. Yes. A is equal to 3 by 2. Now we will find out the common difference, that is D, A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. A2. What is the value of A2? Yes, 1 by 2. A1, 3 by 2. So it's a fraction, children, 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. So in fractions, if the denominators are same, we can add or we can subtract directly, isn't it? So what is the denominator, children? 2. 2. So now take up the numerator, 1 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1. When we subtract 1 from minus 2, what we will get? Yes, we will get minus 2 divided by 2, children. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So D is equal to minus 1. The common difference is, children, minus 1. In the same way, we can go for third and second term and also fourth and second term. We will go for third and second, children. Once for cross check. A3 minus A2. What is the value of A3, children? So A3 is minus 1 by 2 minus, and A2 is 1 by 2. Isn't it? Okay. So here also denominator is same. 2. So I told you already, if the denominator is same, we can add or subtract the numerator directly. That is minus 1 minus 1. See the numerator, children, both the numbers are having minus minus. When the two numbers here also D, the value of common difference is minus 1. So I hope you understood this one. So A2 minus A1, that is 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. As the denominator is same, we will write the denominator as 2. So then add up or subtract the numerators. 1 minus 3, minus 3 plus 1, we will get minus 2 divided by 2. So now cancel children, 2 ones are 2 ones are. So D is equal to minus 1. In the same way, next one, A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 1 by 2 and A2 is 1 by 2. Here also denominator is same, 2, minus 1 and minus 1. As the sign is same for both the numbers, we will write the same sign, that is 1 plus 1 is 2. When we cancel, we get a value as D is equal to minus 1. Did you understand, children, how to find out the common difference in the first term? Okay. Then we will move on to the next. AP is given. Now we should see how to find out the first 4 terms of an AP or first 3 terms of an AP. See here, write the 4 terms of the AP. Write the first 4 terms of AP. When the first term is equal to 10 and the common difference is equal to 10. So, when the common difference is equal to 10 and the first term is equal to 10. Okay. Okay. We know the general form of an AP, isn't it, children? What is the general form of an AP? The general form of an AP is A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. So we will take up the first 4 terms because they were asked for the first 4 terms. A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Here we have to write the first 4 terms of an AP, children. So we know the value of A, isn't it? What is the value of A here? 10. The value of A is 10 here. A value is 10, children. D is there. What is the value of D? 10. Again, A value is 10. 2 into D value is 10. 10 plus 3. The value of D is, children, 10. So, first we have to write the value of A and D. Okay. So, 10. A plus D. 10 plus 10, what do you get, children? 10 plus 10 is 20. Here 10. 2 plus 10 is 20. Sorry, 2 into 10 is 20. 10. 3 tens are 30. So 10, 20. 10 plus 20, what will you get? 30. 10 plus 30, 40. So these are the first 4 terms of AP, children. So the first 4 terms of AP are 10, 20, 30, 40. Do you understand, children? Is it easy? Yes. Okay, we will do one more problem in the same way so that you will understand very clearly. A is equal to 4 and B is equal to minus 3. What we have to do first? Yes, we have to write the general form. A A plus B, A plus 2B, A plus 3B. Okay, here they are given the value of A, isn't it? First term. What is the value of A? 4. 4 plus, write down the symbol plus what is there here. Then afterwards we write the value of B, children. If the value of D is negative, then you have to write inside the bracket. If it is positive, you can write directly, isn't it? Okay. What is the value of D? Minus 3. We will write inside the bracket. Next A, the value of A is 4 plus 2 into D minus 3. Next 4 plus 3 into minus 3. Okay. Next 4 plus into minus. What do we get? Plus into minus is minus 4 minus 3. Next 4 plus into minus 2 3s are 6. 4 plus into minus 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Write down for answer is 4 minus 3, children. What do you get? 4 minus 3. Yes, it is 1. So 4 minus 6. The bigger number sign is minus, children. So we will subtract 4 from the 6. What will get? We'll get minus 2. In the same way, 4 minus 9 is 5. 4 minus 9 is 5. Minus 5. So the first 4 terms are 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. Okay, did you understand, children? Okay, so here they have given the first term and common difference, and they have asked to find out the first 4 terms of AP. Okay, shall I give some exam homework problems, children? Yes, write down. Write the first 4 terms of AP. First one, when A is equal to minus 1 and B is equal to 1 by 2. And second one is A is equal to 4 and B is equal to minus 3. So these are the 2 problems, children, for homework. While coming tomorrow, you have to write it down. Understood? Okay. So now we should solve some more problems, children. Now, children, we will solve the problems of the next main, that is, which of the following list of numbers form an AP? Which of the following list of numbers form an AP? If they form an AP, write the next 2 terms. The AP is 4, 10, 16, 22. See here, children. So here they are given one arithmetic progression, that is AP. First, whether we have to find out whether it is AP or not. After finding if it is AP, next we have to write the next 2 terms. 16 minus A2 is 10. 16 minus 10 is children 6. Next D is equal to A4 minus A3. A4 is 22. A3 is 16. 22 minus 16. What do you get 22 minus 16? 6. Yes. So the common difference is children 6. So D is equal to 6. Yes, the common difference is same children. So common difference is same. Therefore the given terms are in AP. Got it? So common difference is same. Therefore the list of numbers is an AP. So here common difference is same. So the given list of numbers is an AP. Did you understand why it is AP? Because the common difference is same. Therefore, the list of numbers is an AP. So now we come to know that the given list of numbers is an AP. So what is the next question they are given here? Write the next two terms of AP children. We have to write the next two terms of AP. So the next two terms of AP means, so the fourth term is children 22, isn't it? For 22 we have to add the 6. That is A5. 22 plus 6 will get children 28. In the same way for A6, 28. We got A5 as 28. For this 28, you add 6 children. 28 plus 6, what will get? Yes, we will get 34. So the next two terms are 28 and 34. Then the AP is children 4, 10, 16, 22, 28, 34. Did you understand? Okay, I'll explain once again. See, here they are given list of numbers. We have to find out whether the list of numbers is an AP or not. So, in order to say the given numbers is in AP, there should be same common difference. So, we'll find out the common difference children. The value of A is 4. Common difference means A2 minus A1, that is 10 minus 4, which is equal to 6. In the same way, A3 minus A2, 16 minus 12 is equal to 6. Next, A4 minus A3, 22 minus 16 will get 6. So, we got the common difference as same, isn't it? So, now we come to know that the given list of numbers is an AP. Okay. Now we have to find out the next two terms children, means 5th term and the 6th term. For the first term is children 22. For this you add the common difference, that is 22 plus 6 is 28. In the same way 28 plus 6 is 34. Understood? Okay. I'll give one problem for the homework. You have to write it from the down. Okay. Just write down children. Okay, shall I give